Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by getting the physical connection right. Plug the Xbox 360 HDMI cable into the console, then into a free HDMI port on the Roku TV. Once done, make sure both devices are powered off to avoid handshake issues, then power the Roku TV on first. You're doing this to let the TV initialize its HDMI input. Next, position the console so cables aren't strained and switch the TV input to the HDMI port you used. Do this before turning the Xbox on. Now you'll configure the Xbox 360 so the signal matches the Roku TV. Turn the console on. If no picture appears, hold the sync button and guide button pattern to access system settings. Navigate to display and sound, then choose HDTV settings and select 720p or 1080p depending on what the Roku supports. Once done, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and turn off overscan if the TV crops edges. This ensures sharp edges and correct scaling for men. Finish by checking audio. On the Xbox, go to Audio Settings and confirm HDMI is selected so sound travels through the Roku TV. Then launch a game to verify picture and sound together. If you see no signal, power cycle both devices, reset the HDMI cable, or try a different HDMI port or cable. This resolves most handshake problems. If still blank, test the TV with another HDMI source to determine whether the issue is the console or the Roku TV, and then address that component specifically.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.